This customizability allows you to organize data in the way that makes the most sense for your business. However, the limited ability to customize forms was one minor downside I found. Overall, the CRM is a solid product at an affordable price. HubSpot Marketing is their all-in-one marketing software tool for generating leads and building brand awareness. It includes blogging, social media management, email marketing, landing pages, and forms integrated with the CRM. I found the email builder to be intuitive and the templates clean and professional. Automated workflows help route incoming leads to the right next steps. Smart lists allow you to segment contacts based on a wide variety of criteria. The analytics and reporting features give good visibility into campaign performance. My main complaints would be that content management could be easier and the landing page builder a bit more flexible. But for an entry-level to mid-market solution, HubSpot Marketing hits the mark. HubSpot Sales is a sales enablement and pipeline management tool designed to help sales reps stay organized and close more deals. The features include contact management, call and email tracking, deal pipeline management, tasks, and reports. I have found the sales reps at my company really like the call and email tracking, as it automates a lot of the reporting they previously did manually. The ability to set deal stages, probabilities, and reminders is helpful to maintain focus and momentum on opportunities. However, some reps have complained that it can be difficult to customize views and filters to suit their needs. The Sales Hub is a bit limited compared to more robust sales CRM solutions but provides the basics to get started. HubSpot Service is a customer service and help desk platform to empower customer support agents and provide a better customer experience. Features include ticketing, knowledge base, live chat, customer histories, and reporting. My company is currently testing out HubSpot Service to see if it can replace our legacy support system. On the plus side, agents love that tickets automatically create contact records in the CRM and that customer histories give them a full view of past interactions. The knowledge base builder is fairly easy to use and lets us publish articles to our website. However, the ticketing system feels a bit limited compared to more specialized help desk software. Advanced workflow rules, assignments, and escalation paths are missing. Overall, while basic customer service needs are met, HubSpot Service may not scale for more complex support operations. In summary, HubSpot offers a powerful set of integrated marketing, sales, and service software at an affordable price for growing companies. The CRM serves as a solid foundation, and individual products do a good job of providing the core functionality businesses require. However, HubSpot tends to favor breadth of features over depth, so more robust solutions exist for companies with complex needs. For companies just getting started automating processes or looking for an affordable all-in-one system, HubSpot delivers a lot of value. But companies with advanced requirements in areas like custom form building, landing page flexibility, automation, or specialized help desk features may outgrow HubSpot sooner rather than later. In the end, HubSpot provides a good balance of usability and functionality that makes it worth considering as part of a business's technology stack, especially for small to mid-sized companies.